Get the sunset filter on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already have the sunset filter on my Instagram and I added it to my favorites. So let me show you how to get it too. So first of all, you have to swipe all the way to this browse effect. So make sure that you are here to your camera. So after that, you have to click on the icon and then you have to click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for ROUE or sunset, but you will find it this way much more easier. So you have to click on the first option, and this is the original, this is the creator. And if you want to try this effect, you have to click on try it, and the button is at the left bottom corner. And then there you have it. You just have to click on the button to take a picture or a video, and you can also set the strength of the line of the sunset. So this is how you do it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.